Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Victoria community, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to talk about very interesting, very awesome project which is about genocide Joel, and I have placed all official links in my video description guys. You have to simply click and you can join this amazing platform. So before starting the review of this very awesome platform, I would request, if you are new on my channel, so please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So before starting the video, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research for every investment, guys. So here is a very thrilling profile of genocide Joel, and guys, this is very awesome project that's killer of the all memes. Here you can see their thrilling profile. Here is all of the links of about their Telegram community on Dex Screener and Dex tool. As guys, here you can see this is the to all crypto leaders and the masses. Here you can see what is the ticker, that is the KOAM, and here you have to remember the name, remember the cause. Here is all our official links. This is the basically contract address of this awesome platform. You have to simply copy and you can buy this awesome token, guys. So here is our contact through email. Here you can send. And guys, this is all about of the genocide Joel. What is this? And there is all of the completely introduction and all of the history of about genocide that's come for all of the memes. And he is the redness. He won't stop until all meme coins are slaughtered, disposed, and ethically cleansed. So here is all of about the genocide. So let's say here you have to believe that all cryptocurrency community is not a nameless and faceless entity that with no moral values and ideas. So here is the difference between our leaders that sports to any suffering human beings and not levers hand and with destructive ammunition, negligible airdrops, and also false promises. So in the end, in conclusion, we can say that we consider ourselves lucky, privileged to participate in the all meme coin revolution. So that is the main difference between other meme coins and in basically genocide Joel. So if we see that it is both unifying, entertaining, but perhaps most importantly an impactful experience. So here you have to still stay with us and with our messaging, memes, NFTs, and we aim to bring down the most of the notorious meme crypto legends in our signature journey short way to peace and also the prosperity of all com. So guys, here is the our Telegram community. So you have to must join our community. Here you can get all of the news and information about Janice or Joel. So you have to must join. This is our Twitter official account. What you have to do, you have to simply follow this. Just I am also following, and here you can see that all of the about updation about genocide Joel also available on their Twitter account. So here you have to join, and you can also get all of the official links on their Twitter also. So you have to must join, and you have to invite your family and friends on this awesome and very amazing platform, guys. So here you can see, guys, it is basically listed on all of the very famous exchanges here. Like you can see on the screener, it is listed, and here you can see their current price, which is 0.001033 USD, which is very low. And guys, you have to must join and buy this. When you buy this in upcoming days, in futures, it will be increased and you can get more profits by this platform. So here you can see their graph where it also pump and adds at the sometime it dump now, but it will be bump in upcoming days and it will be become a very completely bluish project. So here you can see all of the transactions, top traders, holders, and also you can see there the liquidity provides. Here you can see it's the liquidity, which is 35k USDT, and here you can see their total market cap. So here is the all of about and here you can see on desktop it is guys also listed on that and here is the total market cap, liquidity, circular holders is also available. Here you can see transactions too, and the DEX score, which is 84% from 90 about 99. So this is the almost I think very best. So guys, you have to must join this amazing platform. It is basically on the Ethereum blockchain and you have to must join. Yeah, you can see their maximum supply holders and total transfers, their markets, and this is the all of their the transactions proofs of about Chanos or Child. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.